we're traveling down to Mexico on a fun-filled hot pursuit of one of our favorite Disney characters along the Gran Fiesta tour starring the Three Caballeros in Walt Disney World's Epcot. This is our favorite attraction in the Epcot Pavilion. The boat begins its journey traveling past Chichen Itza and the pavilion's main restaurant, San Angel Inn Restaurante. It reminds us of the beginning of Disneyland's Pirates of the Caribbean as it passes by the Blue Bayou. Donald Duck has gone missing in Mexico, and his amigos Panchito and Jose need your help to find him. During your journey, cruise down the Rio Grande on this Epcot dark boat ride, past some of the most famous sights and cities in Mexico.
The ride is based off of one of Walt Disney's oldest films, The Three Caballeros, a 1944 classic which follows Donald Duck as he adventures through Latin America. The ride operation is similar to It's a Small World. However, it also utilizes a number of screens to tell the story in a similar manner to its movie's namesake. One of the most magical parts of the ride are the fireworks as you are serenaded by the Three Caballeros. We recommend visiting the Mexican Pavilion, grabbing a bite of food or a drink, and traveling down the Rio Grande on this tribute to Latin America.
I'll admit, I'm incredibly biased, as this is one of my favorite rides. I mean, who doesn't love Donald? But as much as it pains me to say it, I think this ride would definitely benefit from an overhaul with one of Pixar's greatest films, Coco.
We give this ride 8 out of 10 Mickey ears for this lovable mallard and his friends. Thanks for watching, and make sure to comment your favorite memory from this attraction. Throw us a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell for a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. This is Magiq Atlas, bringing the magic to you.